right, on this second round, I will show you how to create the courses itself. Now you have created account for the lecturer. Now the next thing is to create the courses, okay? Now you still go to site manager, sorry, site administration. I don't know why I keep calling it site manager, site administration. Then you went to users to do create new users, okay? But now we are going to courses. Okay, so under courses, we will not say add new courses. We'll say manage courses and categories because we have created courses in the past for different departments under different faculties. Okay, so let's click on manage courses and category. So it helps us to see the ones that are already existing. Okay, so this is where the courses display. And this is where the categories are. This is course category, and this is the particular course category that has been selected. That's social sciences. Social sciences is just a faculty. So these are departments under social sciences. So if say I don't know which faculty is now represented, they will have social sciences, management science, education, physics sciences, engineering, art, medicine, environmental sciences, bioscience, law. Let's say I want to add a new one, okay? A new faculty with courses under it. Now click on create new category, okay? And say what? That this category, does it have, should it have any parent? So anyone that is parent, if it's having a parent, then that means it is a, I will just select only top. If I want it to be a faculty, and I'll call it what? I could call it, I don't know which faculty I could call it. I could say medicine. Okay. Faculty of medicine, just faculty of medicine. And then I save create category. So this becomes a faculty of its own, like a faculty on its own. Okay. So let it save. My network is a bit slow. Let it save. Network. This is too slow. So um, see if it created. Don't know. I'm not sure again. Medicine. Okay, yeah. So this is it. So if you click on it to drop it down, so you won't see anything under it. Unlike when you click on others. Okay. Okay, I think there's a medicine already existing because I didn't create this department. So, but that's how you get to create a particular. Okay. Here, this is it. So this is it here. So if you click on it, so there's nothing under it. So it's just existing as a faculty here on its own. Okay, so but let me delete it because I'm already seeing a faculty up there. So um delete. I need to ask us if we want to delete and all of that. So you say yeah, delete and empty or whatever that is done there. So now um continue. So now, say for example, an already existing faculty, you can see how to create faculty. You can creating faculty, click on create new and ensure that there is no um nothing parenting it. There is no other, like if another faculty parenting it, because it's a faculty of its own. You cancel it out and select top. Okay, but now if you want to add um if you want to add um a particular, say in that medicine, now I want to add veterinary medicine, vet medicine or veterinary medicine or medicine and surgery to that medicine. So I need to cancel out top and make sure I selected medicine, and make sure I select medicine. Where is it? We already have one medicine existing there. For management. Okay, this is it. We select it. Remember, this one that is having forward slash is another department. So maybe there's a sub unit inside the department, then you can select this. Inside, then you now know that the faculty is medicine, the main department is pharmacology and therapeutics. Then you want to have a sub whatever inside, then that's the only time you select this. But we want it to be a department under this faculty of medicine. Okay, so whatever you create here, say medicine and surgery as a department now under the faculty, for instance. So if you create, you have it under that particular um, faculty now. So this is how you create faculty and create departments under the faculty. So the courses now exist under the faculty. Okay, so these courses differ. We don't bother to start saying, okay, we need to, because the next thing, if this was to be an undergraduate program, the next thing you will start creating is to create 100 level under category. Now you create 100 level, 200 level, 300 level, 400 level, and so on. And then you come under it and then start adding the courses. But because this is postgraduate, we know that the medicine you added here now, medicine and surgery that you added here now, is a department, and it has only the courses existing under it are courses for MSc, or we can go ahead to even do what I'm talking about. It's still there's no issue still with that, where you can say create new category again, create another category. Now under medicine and surgery, you now say that this one is MSc. Okay, and click on create category, and then you do what again? Let's do PhD. I don't think I'm just doing this as an example. Still under the, okay, now we don't want, it can be medicine faculty and medicine and surgery. PhD can be under MSc. So you select, so you have to be careful with what is parenting the category. So we go down, medicine, this is it. I think I just passed it. Yeah, medicine. So under medicine and surgery, right? We make sure it's just medicine and surgery. Then we say PhD, create category. So we will now have two subcategories under the medicine and surgery, which is those doing medicine and surgery, masters and PhD students. Okay, so now we need to create, this is it. Let it load. So this is it, masters, PhD. So we now need to create courses under MSc, MSc medicine sub courses. So I don't know how their courses are. I'm just using this as an example. Okay. So if you click on that MSc, look out, check out for how it's going to load here. So you see that what is loading here is that MSc. Then you click on create new course. Click on create new course. Now this will be different from the category. This will now ask you for course full name. So let's say this is Med 809. Say maybe traditional medicine and surgery practice. Surgery practices. So I could just copy the course code and put it here as the short name. Med 809 as a short name. Then always pick a date, previous date of the day you're in, and remove this, disable this course end date, because ideally the way it's supposed to run, we should have an end date for a course, a date when the course is going to end. And if the semester reactivates again, we go back and restart it. But we know here in Nigeria for now, the way we're running the postgraduate program, we don't have any particular specific end date, so we have to flow until the program ends. So that's why we're disabling the course end date. So you leave the visibility, make sure the visibility is show by default, you're supposed to show. Then that is that. So you click on save and return. Click on save and return. So when you click that, then the course have been created. Okay, the course have been created. I don't know, my network is very slow. It's taking longer than necessary, since I usually fast with a good network. So yeah. So now it is created. So you find out under med, so you now have one course existing. You can now see one course existing under, the faculty in faculty of medicine, under medicine surgery, and under MSc. Their MSc, so they now have this course. So you click on this course here, click on this course here, click on it like this so that it reloads, because you're going to go below to find features under here. So as you click, it reloads. That's clicking directly on the course like this, clicking on it like this directly. It reloads, and then you come down, you will see enrolled users. You click on enrolled users. Okay, so you only see one, which is this me, which is this admin account, which have created the account itself. You become an automatic manager and teacher in the course. So but you need to enroll user, the actual lecturer you have his list, or the lecturers teaching this course that you have in the course allocation. You click on enroll users so that you can find the lecturers that you've created access to. So okay, I have this my email, which is arranged, and so you search them by email. You just type, sometimes you type an initial of their mail, and it pops up. Okay, so I type arrange, yeah, so it pulls out my name and my email so that you confirm. I click and select it. Then another very important rule, once you select the lecturer, the next important rule is to assign a role to the lecturer. So by default it is student, but you have to click and say teacher. Select teacher. Okay, so this is the same way you also enroll students on the LMS as well. This is how you also enroll students on the LMS as well. So their own, you create, you pick them, you assign them to the course, and that is it. You finish creating the list of the students for that particular course, then you begin to assign these courses to them one after the other manually. So if you click enroll users, now this lecturer will be added here. You see it's refreshing. So the lecturer has been added here as a teacher. Okay. as a teacher. So if you have mistakenly added as a student, you can click on this pencil like button to click on cancel. Sorry, to click on this cancel on the front in front of the say this, assuming this is a student, you click on cancel and you select this button and then select the appropriate one. You finish, you click on save and it saves. Okay, so that's that on how to add create a lecturer's account, create their courses, and then add them to their courses as the lecturer. So when they log in, they will see their, let me log in this lecturer for instance so that you see what I'm talking about. So if I this is Unizik PG PG. Okay, sorry, let me get the other link. Okay, okay. I just want to log in this lecturer we created so that you will see that he will only have access to that particular course. Mm. This video is now taking longer than necessary. I hope it will take time. The other one is still going. I don't know if it will ever get through. All these things are taking time. So, but then it will log in. My network is really, really bad. I don't know how my network just went bad. So you click on, if you click on, sorry, I was supposed to do back. So if you click on this, you will see for this particular one you want to do, what do they call it, estate management is under environmental sciences, so it has been created before but there's no courses under it. So you click on environmental sciences. I think the drop down, part of the drop down supposed to be, I'm sure that estate management is under environmental sciences. So you will now go further to create the subcategory of MSc, PGD, and I know they should have PGD, they should have, that's postgraduate degree diploma, postgraduate diploma program. They have the master's, which is MSc and program, and then the PhD program. So you go ahead to create it as loaded. Let's see. Uh-huh. Environmental science under it, estate management. Then you now come here to say create new category. Then so that you can create the PGD, the MSc, the what do they call it? And the, I think let's do a Zoom call. Let me try because this video, this one is getting to 20 minutes, and I don't know, but I doubt if it can go through to you.